or commercial motor vehicle is a gamble you don't want to take. Pass quickly or stay back where the driver can see you. Because when something goes wrong up front, you don't want to be anywhere near
her because she's your cousin. I'm arranging work reasonably. Linda is capable and she can handle the client well. You should be more generous and help your colleagues. Helping colleagues is fine, but not at the cost of my own achievements. That client trusts me, and if you train...
Hey, you wanna fucking talk about that?
You try and have a long-term lasting relationship with a woman like this, she'll just cheat on you guys. You think she's
fucking dumbass, dude. Y'all saw that shit? Damn, that we just took the light on red. What the fuck? I think that was fucking cool.
Lengthy process of checking in, and it's lengthy. It's signed in for the first time. Oh my goodness! You.
Fuck, dude!
Removing Jews and Jewish influence from Germany. In this rarely seen footage.
Thankfully, Congresswoman Keegan's office worked tirelessly to get a state system to 764-7650 for assistance. Paid for by official funds authorized by the House of Representatives. Enjoy more ways to save at Kroger, like low prices in every aisle. And you can clip and save more with digital coupons in the Kroger app. Plus, you can earn fuel points to save up to $1 per gallon at the pump. So it's always easy to save big. Kroger, fresh for everyone. Savings may vary by state. Rule restrictions apply. See site for details.
Did you know you can save up to $35 on your next fill-up? Redeem your fuel points for big savings at the pump. Exclusions apply. See site for details. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Information. Your excuse won't fly.
Jenny, you're wrong. Employees' personal phones are protected by privacy laws. You can't go through her personal phone without her permission. That's an invasion of privacy.
I am simply doing my job. I need to ensure the company's information security. I'm your manager. Don't meddle in other people's business.
Ensuring information security doesn't mean invading someone's privacy. If you suspect she's leaking info, you can check her.
Yeah, what you get for sure. Fucking somebody can do.
I've heard of
Another fucking idiot. I planned to have done this. Yeah, it's terrible. Horrible. We're like putting somebody's house on. You stupid piece of shit, mother.
That's everything. Use the right lane to take exit 276A onto US 460 East and Granby Street.
I'm governed, you idiot! This guy like legit wants to fucking pull over. He just fucking pointed at the shoulder. God fucking damn. Dude, if my fucking steer gives out, he's going into the fucking concrete wall and he's gonna die. I'm gonna fucking, oh, now he's in front of me. Oh, I got my fucking dash cam rolling. I don't know what this fucking guy is doing. You wanna troll me when I'm the better part of like
Really? Shit. Somebody ice under it? That's damn sure good. Get an ass, get that out.